Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can disable keyboard sounds in your iPhone 13. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video for more videos. So let's start. First go to settings, then swipe down. You can see there is a sound and haptics. Click on it, then swipe down. You can see there is a keyboard feedback option. Click on it and click on this sound button. Here it is. When you enable this, your keyboard start sound, and just off it, your keyboard can't make any sound. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting tips and tricks videos. See you next time.